It was me again. If you haven't visited my channel, start visiting them. I've just gotten onto the second level. I ran out to the second one easy, but I haven't chosen it on the computer, so that's the problem. No! You guys didn't mention that. Sorry, just email. Hi guys, just to let you know, there's going to be no videos from me for the rest of the day. Bye and enjoy your day. Have a nice day. And tomorrow we're going to be making our ant farm. And I can't wait to show you. I can't wait to show you guys. And until then, I will be working on my next video. Goodbye. And don't forget to subscribe down below, comment down below, and give me a big thumbs up for all my channels. And visit all my channels. And we'll probably maybe start some shout outs if you're lucky. So if you start putting comics down, we probably will start doing it if we get 700 shout outs. Bye.